To demonstrate the integration between BeerRun and the cloud, this window shows BeerRun in the cloud and QuickBooks in the back end. We have two windows open, and this is the BeerRun Sync engine running as a system tray. Right-click and the control panel opens, and you can click on Sync Now anytime. You can also see when the last sync took place. Click on Admin Panel, which allows you to see the sync history of transactions. You can see sales orders, invoices, new items, and inventory changes uploaded from QuickBooks to BeerRun. You can also see downloads from BeerRun to QuickBooks of work in process builds, finished good builds, and sales orders imported from the distributor portal. You can also change the timers during which the sync engine runs automatically. Set the frequency and time of day it is supposed to run. Let's create a few transactions to see how the sync process works. Let's create 2 sales orders. Let's number this CBC01. And the second CBC02. Let's also create a grain bill. Let's also create an invoice for an old sales order. Let's do partial shipment. On the BeerRun side, let's pull inventory from one batch of beer and start the batch. Let's pack another batch of October Lager batch 1048. This is batch 1053. Now let's pack the other batch of October Lager. Let us now do a sync. To show you how the sync runs, we log off, shut down, and restart the sync engine. The sync engine appears in the system tray. We click on Sync Now, and it blinks to indicate it's running. As you can see, it is dug into QuickBooks using the SDK and its unique username. Notice the time in the system tray. This is real time. You get confirmation, and let's open QuickBooks to look for the inventory builds of work in progress and the final goods packaged. The admin panel shows sync history. And the fact that we just uploaded 2 sales orders, 1 invoice, and 37 inventory changes. And from BeerRun, brought in 1 work in progress build and 4 finished goods builds. We look at the build assembly and find the beer style assembly and the finished goods assembly. In BeerRun, we go to Plant, Import Sales Orders, and see the 2 orders we just created in QuickBooks. We can also see the accounting inventory we have updated based upon the grain bill we entered into our system.